This is ZTE Axon 30, and today we will demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. Next, at the very bottom of the settings page, enter the About Phone category. In here, go for the RAM capacity section that is located over here. Next, switch on the Extend RAM toggle. Choose for how much exactly you would like to increase your random access memory amount. So the options start at 1 GB and go all the way up to 8. So I'll go with the maximum allowed quantity. And then, in order for the changes that you have just made to take effect, you gotta restart the device. So let me just wait until the phone will get rebooted, and after that I'll check once again if the random access memory amount has been successfully increased or not. Alrighty, so as you can see, my smartphone has been successfully reloaded. Now let me just quickly enter the SIM pin I have. Alrighty, now I'll launch the settings, enter the same category, that is About Phone, and as you can see right over here at the RAM capacity section, now it shows that in addition to the default 12 GB of RAM, we have successfully added an extra 8 GB. And as you can see at the following page, it also shows that the extended RAM amount is 8 GB currently. So, great success. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.